I love today.
We're going on a trip. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going hiking, guys. And we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna go hunt for our food. Who remembers these? These ones are the ones that you grab the nectar out and then suck it. I remember doing that. We hit the lake. And look at all the duckies. They're so cute. They're so cute. What are you eating? What is that? Chips? We don't put it on the list.
That's too big for you. Do you want this one here? I'm a smaller.
I got a round face. Smell you! Say hi! Don't touch. Hi! I gave up on fishing, guys. But it's so pretty and nice and breezy out here.
Move it over here.
Huh?
Move it over.
Hold it.
So I am walking to my friend's car and I see this lovely
Wait, what's the password to the YouTube?
Oh, but I'm a classy bitch.
You can't wear that there.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
You can't wear that. And then she had that really long staff that I like.
I don't look like We're home, guys. We're home.
We haven't done our Target run in a while.
We should.
Let me go look at makeup. Let me go look at makeup.
This is for you.
Thank you. I love it, Chelc.
Pose with that bitch.
What is this?
Guys, we've made it to our destination. Yes. I found you. I found you, Casperly. Oh.
Go, Chelc.
Huh?
Take it.
Fuck you guys. Carol, you forgot your stuff.
That's your shit.
Sir, I think something's wrong with your feet.
No, I think something on the slipper.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think that's how you wear slippers.